Thank you for buying this 15973 ceiling fan from Fixture Displays. This is the section where you would hook up with your ceiling box, and there are hardware provided as well. I'm going to show you in a different view very shortly. You want to get the blades assembled to the hub first, and there are locking screws provided and nuts. These are the handles or hubs. I'm going to put the washers in there. Video is fairly detailed. However, if you still have any questions after watching, feel free to contact us. Our email address is cs, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. Small end of the locking nuts face out. Ideally, you have a certified electrician to do the installation. Make sure you follow your local building code. And these are the components of the main hub. You have a ceiling rod, and this is the harness that connects to your box. We want to take off the attachment first so that we can install this into the harness. Now we're fitting that in there and then fasten the screws from the outside of this harness. Make sure they're properly tightened. And now we're going to put the cup or the cover in there. This oftentimes you would fasten at the last minute. And this is the cup to cover the bottom section. When working with the main motor section, we want to remove the pin. And then we connect the top connector over here. Make sure to feed the wires through. And the small rod goes right here. At this time, we're going to put a pin back. And the cotter pin goes over it. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. This is the remote control unit, controlling unit. You want to connect the wire, male and female connectors. This particular device would turn any ceiling fan into a remote control unit, just so you know. And then the blue wire to the blue wire, and the white to the white wire. Before you hang the unit to the ceiling, it is highly recommended to test the unit, make sure all the wiring is done correctly, because it's a lot easier to do it here than up on the ceiling. And the white wire goes to hot, and the other two are neutral and ground. Now we're going to remove some screws and then put the blaze on. Now we're going to install the lighting section. You have two wires. White is hot and black is neutral. The black in this case connects to the blue. Among many of the other products, I think some of the chandeliers may be closely tied into your project. We offer many chandelier choices at very value prices. So feel free to search chandeliers on fixturedisplays.com. They'll pull up many options. Now we're going to put it back together and fasten with screws. The ceiling fan takes 3 lights, E26 or E27. We do sell light bulbs LED as well, and this is how you fasten a shade to it. If your fan is pretty up high, you may want to connect the pull string right here. However, if your ceiling is low, you can easily reach it. You may not need to install this pull chain. Or there are plenty of people just want to use remote control, then you don't have to use it. These are one of the many kinds of light bulbs we offer, and the links for this light bulb is in the description field. This is it. Now there is another extension rod that you can optionally install on the very top to keep your fan away from the ceiling a little more. It's not required, and the provided rod is 12 inches. You can use your own for a longer extension. The remote control has timer, lights control, and speed control. The icons are fairly straightforward to figure out. And this is light, general on and off. The dimension of the ceiling fan is 52 inches in diameter, 20 inches tall without the 12-inch extension rod. The entire unit weighs about 25 pounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.